This is a tutorial on how to use global fonts in Elementor. So the easiest way to do it is to do it through the actual page editor itself. So I'm on a page here now, and to the left there is our widgets area, and I will click on the hamburger icon. So you can see here there is some default fonts already set there. Most of them are Roboto. So from here we can go Site Settings, and you can see here we've got global fonts, and there's also some H1s, H2, H3, in which we can alter from the typography section. So I'm going to edit the first one here on global fonts. So I've found that it is this section here is actually from the text section on global fonts. So you can see there it's Roboto. So I'm going to alter that to something that we can tell it's changed. I think Rochester is a nice one. Okay, so we can see there that it's changed quite significantly. And if I go back here, we'll jump back over to the typography area. And there are multiple options here. This is the text area here as well that we saw in the global fonts area. Links, you can alter the colors and text. So I can even change, I can see here's a link here. So let's change the color of that to, say, blue. Or black than blue, isn't it? Here's blue, going to purple. So there you can see that's changing. And if you want, you can change that font there. So that's default, which sees as the text is the default, but we can alter that as well. Let's change that to that. You can see that stands out more there. Down here are some of our H1s and 2s. So let's change that to something here. And we can change the size. That may not be one. Let's try this one. That's Roboto there. Change that to rock salt. See that's changed. Change the sizing, weight. Meta spacing, decoration, have an underline that. This may vary on what is available with the actual font. But you can change the letter spacing as well. Word spacing, there's only one word, so that won't alter anything. And just the final one here, let's alter the color of H3. Change that to red, and we can change the font here too. Okay, that's changed there. So that is how we can alter the fonts on the global fonts on Elementor.